corn? Probably would be.
You know, welcome welcome back to Cardfight area. After I randomized touken ranbu, Greg questioned my ability to use it. I'm gonna kill him now. You're gonna be watching a recording of me walking over to Greg's house and shooting him in the face. And just like that, I've already won.
And just like that, I redraw 4. Okay, that's just a bunch of bull.
Is that your redraw?
Yeah, that is just too much bull. Oh, no.
I'm fine. Okay.
I'm gonna play this even though I don't want to.
Alright, heads or tails?
I picked tails.
Congrats.
Yay. If it's what I think it's gonna be, I'm gonna laugh. Okay, it's good. Oh. Well. Single-minded assistant mini berry. Ride.
He's a mini berry.
He's the game gun senator, only really, really short.
Can't attack him first turn.
I don't care.
Why did you... How? I'm not even in battle phase.
Yes, you are.
Am I?
Yeah.
It says I'm in ride phase. Stand and draw. That's a little bit awkward. Thank you, Greg, for reminding me that I need to check this guy's ability. What the fuck do you do? It's been a while.
At the end of this...
I'm gonna assume that's a typo. I attack for 7.
I'm going to assume what was a typo.
The starter skill.
What part of it would be a typo?
Soul Blast 1. When this unit boosts, if you do not have a face-up card in your damage zone, you pay the cost. If you do, counter charge 1, meaning on counter blast 1. This unit, and until the end of the battle, this unit gets plus 3,000 power. And when this attack is draw a card and put it into your soul. Read it! That's like the most... I was like, oh man, this is pretty good. And then I actually read it fucking over, like Quan tells me to do. Damage zone.
You read it wrong.
What's it say?
If you don't have face-up cards.
Oh! These things are so fucking easy to miss for me.
Apparently.
End turn.
Stand. Draw. Please. No. No, it didn't do it. It didn't do it. I attacked.
Did I even drive check? No guard.
Here we go.
Stand and I draw.
That hit.
Oh, right. Go away, stand trigger. Stand and draw. That fixes all my problems that I didn't have. Rear guard effects. Which one do I like more?
But yeah, like...
Ah, fuck.
Compass Lion is an amazing card. Like, if I can't retire the rear guard just right off the bat, I could just use Compass Lion. It's amazing.
Like, ride, call, and I will call here. 7.
Okay. Stand trigger.
9, 1 to pass.
No card.
No trigger. 14.
God.
Need 3 more damage to activate that. End turn.
Right.
He's got to ride that compass... No, not compass line. Oh, wow, I was right. It's like, he's got to ride that compass line. And I'm like, wait, no, I'm talking about Geograph forever, and I called it right. No guard.
Compass Lion's effect.
Stand and draw.
Still hit.
Oh, fuck, I'm so dumb. Stand and draw. Hey, I still got the same card, though. Stand. Draw,
at the end
ride.
of the game, I'll show you exactly what my starting hand was.
Do you remember this douchebag that I have in my Vanguard circle?
He kind of looks like you, Murakami.
I thought you were going to say kind of looks like you. I attack the Vanguard.
I'm not gonna guard that.
I attack for 11.
Oh god. Draw trigger.
Heal trigger. power, can't recover. Check 2, no trigger, end turn. Right. Shut up. It still doesn't hit, though.
How does that not hit? That was a 12.
Shut up. And sleep with me. Ah, that was old, wasn't it?
No. Just, no. Call Coiling Duckbill. The effect to Geograph Giant. Ah, Geograph Giant is my avatar. I attack the Vanguard.
If you... Hold on. Oh, that's not as bad as I thought it was. No guard. Power. That's actually almost better.
Activation main phase, right?
Activation effects are main phase, yes.
Damn it. I attack, giving 4,000 power to Geograph Giant.
Now he's 4 on my screen. No guard.
Nah.
Yay, Geograph Giant.
Geograph Giant attacks for 14. Can't hit, so I attack him. Or her.
That's a girl, you racist.
How is that racist?
Don't ask questions.
Retiring Geograph Giant. If I can figure out how to hit this one card. Call back Geograph Giant.
No move then?
Done.
Stand and draw.
Leopold is my favorite. Appalled.
I think I'll ride. Okay. First, I attack the Vanguard. 14.
No guard.
That was an activation effect. I'm a dummy. Attack 14.
Yes, you are.
Hold on. This one isn't... hold on. Flame Blast 1. Soul Blast 1. I don't even know what this effect is. Choose a card from your hand and discard it. Here's the cost if you do draw 2 cards. Not that bad.
You see what I mean by not good at touken ranbu?
Shh, I don't know the cards. However, my grade 3s are apparently fucking the bomb. Stand trigger. Standing you with the power. Check 2. Heal trigger. Power. Can't recover. 19 to your Vanguard.
Guard.
Maybe this clan's just really overpowered, and I've been thinking I'm really badass. No, that's it. This clan's just really fucking good.
It's a good plan. You're just not using it right.
Hey, I'm using it okay, bitch. The minute you picked up your fucking your Kagero deck, you weren't like, oh man, I superior break ride the ends when he didn't even exist at that point in time.
Okay, 2 things. First off, the minute I picked up a Kagero deck, he actually did exist.
Oh.
So I started playing towards the end of Link Joker.
Fuck you.
Second off, I couldn't superior call in the Kagero trial deck.
It's a superior ride.
I could not superior call. I could superior ride, but that was only Yaksha.
Greg, I said, it's not like when you picked up your first trial deck, you were like, oh, I superior ride Dragonic Overlord the end.
Yes, I could not superior ride anything but Yaksha.
Fuck, you can't take a joke.
I can't. No,
I end my turn.
I countered last 2, giving Geograph Giant the effects of my Vanguard, plus 4,000 power. Coiling Duckbill forgets that he was not in battle phase.
No guard for that one.
I attacked the Vanguard, giving 4,000 power to Geograph Giant.
No chance. Because of that 1,000 power difference.
7.
His,
18.
18. Guard for 10. Can I move then?
Firing Geograph Giant,
No, right.
plus 1, sending Geograph Giant to the rear guard.
The end phase abilities are so weird to me. Stand and draw.
They're so good, though.
Okay.
I don't even... Like, as long as I can counterblast, I don't need to worry about, like, dropping rear guards.
No, I'm going to activate effect first. Okay, I'm going to counterblast. It gets, the one with the really long name on my left side gets until end of turn, this unit gets plus 2,000 power, blah, blah, blah. And I believe choose a card from my hand, discard it. When this unit attack hits a Vanguard, I can draw 2. 14.
And you know what my least favorite thing about touken ranbu is the naming.
Yeah.
It's so hard to pronounce.
Attacking for 14.
Guarding for a number. Guarding for 10.
Attacking for 26.
Yeah.
No trigger? Heal trigger? I guess... Yasuasada. Yasuasada. I end turn.
Does Great Nature have Legion?
Great Nature? Yes.
Yeah.
Every clan has 2 Legion units. Every clan has 2 Generation. Every clan has a shit ton of break rides and has a shit ton of Generation break units. Not fuck.
I attack.
No guard power.
I attack. No wait, he would give me power.
I intercept, and that would make me third 21.
Stand trigger, standing Leopold with the power.
Okay, that gets rid of all my worries.
Heal trigger. Power to Leopold. Healing 1. Geograph attacks rear guard.
Oh, guard.
Leopold to Vanguard for 20.
That's a perfect guard. What are you talking about? That's just a simple grade 1, you bitch. Shut the fuck up.
Good job. I'll remember that. No, I won't.
Okay, first... Yeah, I'll do that. Okay. First, no activation ability first, Psycho. Remember, you're dumb, but that's no excuse. I attack the Vanguard plus 2,000. If the attack hits, I discard and draw 2.
Stand trigger.
Discarding, drawing 2. That was not a very good value proposition. If the attack, I believe, is at the end of the battle, the unit attacks. I can choose one of my rear guards and return it to my hand if the attack when it attacks, which I'm going to with this one.
Guard.
I believe. First, hold on a minute while I do this. Put it into the soul. When your grade 3 or less Vanguard attacks, if the number of other rear guards you have is 3 or more, nope. And I attack for 26. I need to fucking pay attention to what I'm doing.
And I guard.
Want to pass?
Yeah.
I end turn.
I forgot that was your Vanguard attacking. And you're just like, want to pass? And I'm like, you know what? Screw it. I break ride.
Oh no! Break ride! Even though I'm really bad with this clan. Oh, I'll get better though. I'll get better. Better for you.
I attack the vat. No, wait, no, never mind. Attacking. What's his skill?
Whose? Greg, didn't you know Geograph Giant is
I
vanilla?
attack the Vanguard, doesn't hit Break Ride's effect, giving power to Honorary Professor. I attack the Vanguard, giving 4,000 power to Honorary Professor.
Professor? I like that.
Processor?
31.
I give the power to my processor.
And he has +4 right now, correct?
I attack the Vanguard, he gets another +4.
Okay. Because I can. I'll discard you.
Okay. I am activating Leopold's effect. He retires from the boost I gave him from Leopold. And I draw... yeah, whenever rear guard attacks Vanguard. So I draw 2 cards. Wow! Activating the counter blast. He returns for another time.
Can I move that?
Go for it.
Stand and draw.
Oh.
Since this time I'm really not gonna be stupid, I call.
Hopefully.
Fuck you. I call.
You say that really often, and then you're just like, oh crap.
No, it didn't happen. Shut the fuck up. I didn't do shit. Counterblast. I'm not good with main phase abilities.
Neither am I.
Until end of turn, it gets plus 2,000 power, blah blah blah. If the attack hits, draw 2 cards. You're not in activation, right? Alright. 18. Yeah! What the fuck was in your hand?
Okay. this is what I had in hand from the swing drive. And you know those two cards I drew from Honorary Professor?
They're both grade 3s, aren't they?
I got Leopold and Honorary Professor. Okay, here's the thing. I'm going to show you exactly what I had in my starting hand.
Okay, guys, hold on a minute while we see what he had in the starting hand.
This was my ride.
Yep.
I had this. Hang on. I had this. I had this. I had this. And it was in this exact order, too. And I had this. All the grade 1s.
Hey, it didn't seem to go that badly.
It was honestly a great game, considering the...
Yeah. Well, I'll see you guys in the next fight. Welcome back.
Did you, like, start that right in the middle of my sentence?
I started after your sentence.
Ah. You should advertise that, by the way, because...
Go over to Greg's username's channel. He's uploading a video about a vlog about Cardfight theory. Go subscribe, even though this is probably the only one he's doing. Stuff.
Okay,
There.
a couple things. What the hell's a Cardfight theory?
What the fuck's a duel theory?
What the hell's a game theory? Wait, dual theory? What?
That is from Yu-Gi-Oh!
I've never heard that before. Of course, I was never really into Yu-Gi-Oh! That
Sam.
much. Like, I played the game a little bit. Yeah, never really was my thing. I picked Tails.
Stand and draw.
Or...
In turn.
I just realized. Look at Flask Marmoset. He's so adorable.
Last Marmoset.
Yeah, but that's the starter. He's so adorable.
He looks like a fucking animal hippie. Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's awesome.
Purple
So
weed.
adorable.
Get out of my shed, Marmoset. Get out of my weed, no guard. Heal.
Oh, awesome.
Stand and draw. Well, either way, I'm kind of winning.
He's kind of like chewing on a test tube, or not a test tube. Like I think that's a flask. He's getting all. He's so adorable.
Oh. Shh, didn't happen. Attacking for 9. No.
I'm going to let that go.
9. You gonna let it go?
I'm gonna let that throw.
Let it go? 14. 12. That's not 14.
Alright. Ah, great.
Why do I even
Alright,
have
Avatar.
generation in this thing?
Geograph giant.
I'm a giant!
Seriously though, this is my avatar.
I thought your avatar was the pineapple. No.
No, Hail Pineapple is like Neonectar, I think.
I'm not sure. No guard. Great. Oh.
Wait,
Stand and draw.
I'll check that after this game.
Well, this is a good reason to use it. Dropping from hand, I stride.
You want to think about that real quick?
Fuck you!
I'm...
Thanks to the magic of editing, I'm gonna pretend that... why am I shuffling my deck?
I make the mistake so much. Like the menus need to have some sort of like difference.
Yeah.
Like maybe the G zone is black and the drop zone is red, and the soul is yellow.
I attack for 12.
I don't guard that.
Skill activate. A counterblast of 1. I should stop talking like that. A counterblast of 1 and a soul blast of 1. Fuck's sake, keyboard, you piece of shit. Okay. Soul blast of 1. I discard a card from hand and I draw 2. That did not go according to plan. I attack for 11.
I'm glad it didn't go according to plan. Because nothing I'm doing is going according.
That was a crit and a stand, by the way. Is that all?
Yep.
No trigger? I guess it kind of worked out for the best. And my turn.
Okay.
They get power on their own for being at 3 or more damage.
Alright. I attack.
I don't guard. Somehow managed to get 4 crits. 4 critical. Not 3 crits, 4 criticals. Finally. Now I stand my draw. Now hold on before I decide this for real. That would be worthless right now. Huh. No, that's not worth it. I will call you here. And that would work with you. Okay. I will attack the Vanguard for 12.
I don't guard. Stand trigger.
You get power to your Vanguard, right? 16 to your Vanguard.
Little tiger.
Gets plus 3,000 power. Hold on.
Okay. Holding on.
I return to hand.
Okay. I guard.
I attack for 11. You're guarding. Is that all you're guarding with?
No, I was guarding the,
Okay. I attack for 11 using murakumo skill, putting him into the soul if he's a grade 3 or less. Fuck, I did it again!
That was loud. Jeez, man.
No trigger. Stand trigger. Standing at you with the power. I attack for... I'm dumb. Put a dun scalp on me and make me shoot tears sideways. I end turn.
Holy crap, that, like, broke my ear.
Yes, that's how I win card fights.
What? I call.
What do you?
Okay, this is gonna be a really weird play.
Okay.
Calling Duckbill. Power to the rear guard. Honorary professor. Retiring Duckbill. Calling Duckbill. Power to the professor. Retiring Duckbill. Calling Duckbill. Power to the professor. I call.
Do they actually give power?
Duckbill. I call. No, they just give when the student retires draw a card. But I'm stupid and I didn't figure that out.
So, what you're saying is, I need to kill that card somehow before it's the end of your turn.
Either that or let me draw 3.
I feel like it's fair.
I attack the Vanguard, giving the effects of the break ride to Professor Chetnar, making it 4 cards that I draw.
I guard for 10.
I attack the Vanguard,
No guard.
giving 4,000 power to Honorary Professor. First check, second check. Damn it.
Oh no, you could have dealt me almost death.
I
No guard.
For a butt ton. Dropping Honorary Professor. That's 4?
I think it's 5.
How would that be 5?
Does your Vanguard make him draw a card? No,
No.
it's retire. Okay, it's 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Counter blast. Sending him back.
Hello. I'm back from totally Greg being stupid.
Shut up.
Oh yeah, it was. You just called him back, right?
Yeah, I just called for it.
Alright, stand and draw. Well, I'm going to do something not stupid this time, questionably. Fuck off, Greg. I call, and I attack for 12.
My God.
I attack for 11. Don't forget, and skill of Nikare Eo. If I have, okay, you know, I'm not gonna finish that. I'm joking.
Who cares?
No trigger. No trigger. Alright, no turn. Oh no, I don't. I don't attack. I get hit you in the face. Fuck you. Aren't you supposed to be the one that has more cards in hand from your abilities?
Yeah.
Hmm.
And? I haven't been doing that great. I'm at 5? Yeah. That would be stupid.
just kill yourself.
I can call Explosion Scientist.
I guard.
I attack.
Modified. I want the little mini berry.
Attacks, and I just realized that I'm an idiot.
A guard for 10, is that enough?
I gave him 4.
Give him 4?
Yeah, I gave him 4.
I'll guard a little bit extra then.
No, you get the gret, yada yada yada.
Draw cards and shit. Now I call.
Gret.
Attacking for 12.
Guard for 5.
Skill to the soul, giving 10,000 power. Attacking for 21.
That.
35. 21. Okay. Good. Check 1. Critical. All effects to Kanashada. Heal trigger. Power to Kanashada. Recovering 1 damage. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Kanashada. I attack, and he's not boosted. 19. End turn. Barry, what are you doing in our card game?
Holy crap. Holy crap, it's happened. Yes. Actually, screw it.
Chat near.
Alright, stride. Eternity, Professor.
How does he professor without burning things?
Because they're really intelligent, so I guess they give them, like, fireproof
For what hands?
for his wings.
Fireproof wing plating.
Fireproof feet gloves. I mean, what else would you give a bird?
Bone. I don't know. What's this clip's ready?
I'm calling coiling duckbill. Power to this guy. Not power. What am I talking about? I attack the Vanguard.
That's 15. I don't guard.
I attack the Vanguard, activating the effect, giving 4,000 power to both Honorary Professor Chat Energy and Silver Wolf.
I believe 3 to pass.
First check, draw trigger, power to Champion Alley. Second check, stand trigger, standing him with power. Third check, the Nash
Just 5 to guard that. I intercept. That's plus 8,000 and all, right?
And 8,000 more.
Okay. So that'll make you 32. That'll make me 31. And I need 1 more. Which of you do I like more? I don't like you. I guard.
And if Karen retiring these 2, counterblast 2. They'll be coming back.
Ha! They're coming. Stand under. And try it.
How it stands the Vanguard after a generation.
Yeah. Okay. Counterblast for his skill. If the attack hits, he gets plus 2,000 permanently. If the attack hits, I draw a card. Well, gonna attack your Vanguard for 16.
16.
It gets plus 2,000 power. Attacking for 11. You know what happens if you don't... Gonna say, you know what happens if you don't guard for 16, right? Check 2, stand trigger, standing, power. No, check 3. 14. Not boosted. I attack for 19.
Oh my god.
I end my turn. Fate just fucked me.
I attack the Vanguard.
I intercept.
Leopold the Vanguard.
No chance.
4,000 power to Chatnor. First check. Second check. Heal trigger. Power to Chatnor, healing 1 damage. Chatnor attacks with the butt ton.
I guard.
Chatnor retires. And return.
Stand and draw.
That's actually the first time
Call.
I couldn't get it back.
I attack your Vanguard for 14.
Rayon Tiger.
I attack for 11.
Guard. Pass.
You sure you want to do that?
Why?
Every card in this deck other than my grade zeros has the Shinken Hisatsu ability. If I reveal a card with that skill, he gets plus 5,000 power.
Yeah, go for it.
Standing, power. It has it. Power of the Vanguard. Attacking for 11. Did you, like, after I got the trigger, you realized, oh, right. Triggers are triggers.
I just didn't understand what you were saying. And then I realized that after you pulled the things, and I'm like, oh, yeah, I'm stupid.
I intercept.
I attack the Vanguard, giving 4,000 power to this Silverwolf.
Hold on. I'm gonna just hold on before you actually do your drive check. 21, that requires 2 to pass. I guard. Okay. Okay. Made this less hard. Yo.
Why don't you just guard with, like, the minimum requirement?
Because I really didn't want that attack to hit. I guard.
But the thing is, like, if I had gotten a trigger, chances are I would have given it to rear guard.
And I thought that over and realized I could guard the rear guard if I guarded with 10. Stand and draw.
I guess.
I call.
I'm kind of bound right now.
Yeah, I like the sound of that. Plus 3,000 power for having 3 more damage.
That trigger.
Oh. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next fight. This is the second fight, right?
Crap. In deck, going from top to bottom. Geograph Giant,
Oh
Leopold,
shit, what do I have?
Compass Lion, Explosion Scientist Punta, Single Miter Assistant Miniberry, and Eraser Alpaca.
You know what's hilarious?
1 trigger.
1 trigger. It was a heal trigger, and the rest of the cards still would have given trigger effects. See you guys in the next episode.